Looking for the best DeWalt impact driver? In this video, we review the top DeWalt models, comparing power, speed, and features to help you choose the right one for your projects. Stay tuned for the ultimate buying guide. Let's talk about the DeWalt 20V Max XR 1/4 inch cordless impact driver. This is an absolute beast when it comes to tackling tough jobs. With a maximum torque of 2,500 inch-pounds, it easily powers through even the most demanding tasks without breaking a sweat. I've had the chance to try it out, and the speed is impressive, up to 3,800 RPM, and you'll feel that power every time. The 3-speed settings let you dial in the exact performance you need, whether you're driving screws or handling heavy-duty work. What I love about this driver is the control it gives you. The variable speed trigger ensures you can work precisely, while the ergonomic design keeps it comfortable during long hours of use. It's built for pro-level performance without the high price tag. Priced at $141.99 for the bare tool, it's a solid deal for the power and efficiency it delivered. If you're in the market for a powerful impact driver, I highly recommend the DeWalt 20V Max XR cordless impact driver. This driver packs 1,825 inch-pounds of torque and can reach speeds up to 3,400 RPM, making it perfect for heavy-duty fastening tasks. It also features a 3-speed setting for precise control, which is great for both delicate and tough jobs. Despite its power, it weighs just 2.1 pounds, so it's lightweight and won't wear you out during long work sessions. Plus, with the integrated 3 LED work light, you'll have great visibility in low-light areas. This impact driver comes with both the tool and charger, and you can expect to pay around $169 for the kit, a solid deal for anyone needing pro-level performance. If you're tackling large areas or need to power through thick brush, the DeWalt 20V Max Impact Driver Kit is a solid choice. This compact brushless impact driver delivers up to 1,450 inch-pounds of torque, providing the power you need for tough fastening tasks. With its lightweight design at just 1.75 pounds, it reduces user fatigue during long jobs. The driver has a 1/4 inch quick-release hex chuck for easy bit changes and offers 3 speed settings, including precision drive for added control. The built-in LED lights provide excellent visibility, so you can work in low-light conditions with ease. The kit comes with two 2.0 amp-hour batteries, each with a state of charge indicator, ensuring you know when it's time to recharge. This impact driver is perfect for precision tasks, and its compact size makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces. Expect to pay around $169 for the complete kit. If you're after something that delivers great value without breaking the bank, I'd recommend the DeWalt 20V Max Atomic Cordless Impact Drill Driver Kit. This impact driver gives you solid performance with 1,825 nlbs of torque and a max speed of 3,250 RPM, which is more than enough for most jobs. While it's not the newest model, it offers brushless motor efficiency and great maneuverability at under 4 inches, making it easy to handle in tight spaces. The 3-speed trigger gives you full control, and the integrated LED light is perfect for low-light conditions. At $189.99 with the battery and charger included, it's a fantastic option for anyone who needs a powerful and compact impact driver without splurging on premium models. It's a solid choice for both DIYers and pros on a budget. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient string trimmer for residential use, I highly recommend the DeWalt 20V Max Cordless String Trimmer. This trimmer comes with a 13-inch cutting swath, perfect for getting through overgrown grass or edging along sidewalk. One standout feature is its lightweight design, making it easy to maneuver around your yard without fatigue. The DeWalt DCMST 920 also offers a brushless motor, which not only enhances performance but also improves battery life, giving you more runtime per charge. Another great feature is the variable speed trigger, allowing you to adjust the power based on the task at hand, whether you're doing light trimming or tougher work. While it's a bit on the pricier side at around $159 for the bare tool, it's a solid investment for homeowners who want a durable and efficient tool that gets the job done with minimal effort.